Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The lingo is confusing when it comes to getting qualified with a mortgage company. You have a pre-qualification letter and a pre-approval letter. What you want is the pre-approval letter. Pre-qualified just means you're qualified, but they haven't run the credit report. They haven't figured out if you're truly pre-approved. That way, when you go out and you make offers, you've got this pre-approval letter, not a pre-qualification letter, pre-approval letter that proves that you can close the deal if you come to an agreement. So, as a new member of Total Wealth Academy, we have 7 or 8 different mortgage companies that we do business with. Immediately after our members graduate from our Saturday class, that following Monday, they go out and get a pre-approval letter before they ever start looking for real estate. You should do the same thing. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.